Okay, this is the second part of the intro to project video. A few things that I wanted to say but forgot. First of all, you can talk to me on Teams, make an appointment using the inbox. And also, you can send me your code. If you are sending me your code, you can send it please do send it as a file, not just copy paste it into the inbox message, because that usually messes up the indentations. I will be able to look at it and comment on it, provided that you give me enough time. Don't expect necessarily an answer 2 hours later, but probably by the next day, within one business day, I should be able to give you some comments. Also, when you show me your code or share your code with me, and say if there is 60 lines of code and there are some troubles in it, that's okay, as long as you have like a 40 lines version, the previous version, that does work. That I have to ask you to do that because sometimes people just write or copy paste some incoherent code and then ask me to make it work, and there are inconsistencies in every other line. That's not how it is supposed to work. You're supposed to start simple, create a simple program, and then add on to it. So please do that. Please do keep your previous versions, save your code as a new file often, and eventually you want to have a working project. So if you submit a project and it does not work, it is a very big red flag for me. If your project does not satisfy all the requirements, that's completely fine. You want to satisfy as many requirements as you can. You don't have to satisfy all of the requirements. And also, if you send me your code early, you will have like a 5 points bonus that can probably cover some of the deficiencies if there are any. Your game should be winnable, and it should not be awfully hard. I will run your code and I will play your game, but don't leave me with a maze of things to do, or if you do have some complicated project you went beyond the requirements. That is awesome. Just give me a little file or a little hints how this game is played, how it is won, because sometimes I end up with lots of convoluted code and somebody did an awesome job and I have no clue if this game could be won because maybe they made it too hard or they made it too diverse and only one of the paths actually leads to victory. And in this particular case, when I will have only a couple of days to grade everything in the end of the semester, that can be a little overwhelming to process. And I think this is it. Good luck, and I know you can do it. Don't panic, start simple, and develop.